Hello, thanks for visiting Pros Devices. Today we'll be looking at the Ultraloq UL3 Bluetooth enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lock for homes. Yes, we would like to make our homes safer for our kids and safer for our well-being. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, make a comment, and click the notification bells for when new videos is uploaded. Also, click the link in the description to make your purchase on Amazon. This lock is well under 180 and it's free shipment. So let's get right into this smart lock. It is very convenient to safety and to smart homes. We are going smart within technology. So advanced fingerprint identification. Everyone's fingerprint is unique, right? And no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. 95 fingerprints can be enrolled. That means you, your kids, all your family that has access to your house can enroll and put it in their fingerprints. Identify you in less than 0.5 seconds and works well for kids and elders. The anti-peep password ensures that the strangers can't steal your password by looking at worn out keypad digits or watching you nearby when you enter the password. This function allows the user to type in any number of random digits and can still gain access as long as the one correct password is embedded in the larger set of number, meaning you could put your password in and still continue to press several other numbers before it or after it, and you will still get enter in your house. No one will know what the correct password is. Knock and shake to open function. The knock to open, you don't have to open the app. You just knock your phone 4 times, even when it's in your pocket and you're in your house. That's for iOS only. Shake to open. You can just wake up your smartphone screen and shake your phone to unlock your door. No need to open the Ultraloq app. That's for Android only. This smart lock uses battery. Up to 1 year battery life. It uses the 3 AA batteries, up to 8,000 times access, low battery alerts on your display and your app. It's a do-it-yourself installation. No wiring, no drilling. It's only take a screwdriver, which is included in the box. Screwdriver include in the box, and minutes to bring unmatched security, style, and convenience to your door. Work with most standard doors, fit standard interior doors, prepped with a single bore hole, door thickness between 1 and 3/8 inch to 1 and 3/4 inch. Optional deadlock cover plate available for replacing existing deadbolt on standard exterior doors. It also has a reversible handle suitable for both left-handed door and right-handed doors. Please remember to click the link in the description to purchase this device on Amazon to keep your family, your home, and your kids safe. On the app on your phone, you can view the users. The users knows who has the access to your lock and how. Also, log record. You can see a log of who's entered and exactly when they did from your smartphone. It has a clone. When you install any lock, another lock per se, just use a clone to transfer all users in one shot. Please remember to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, click the bell for new videos, and thank you for watching.